guys, if you're watching this, that means you're watching the replay. Type hashtag replay. This is to test whether my live or any post is getting pushed after what is it, like at least the interaction for today. Thank you so much for what is it, like all the love. Oh, finally I think it's pushing. I know today it was such a horrible time. I wanted to do the get ready in live. That's the purpose I did. But for somehow Facebook is not showing my live, not pushing the notifications at all. So I'm so disappointed, and I'm glad at least people loved the reel for today. It was such a stretch. You all know how it is to make your family work on something. So what I'm going to do is, this is a request I've been getting so far. Hi Shobna. So I'm doing the the new Melt Away Deep Cleansing Balm. This time everything was a tongue twister with Senegen's new releases. So that's the one I wanted to show. I had many people who requested me to show because they wanted to combine it with the CCTM sale. So CCTM sale is ending today. So if you want to combine it with the makeup remover or with the powder, it will be really nice because you can reach that $150, and that way you will be able to get a free product of your choice too. Let me first apply Oops alone, and I think this is this Melt Away Balm is one of my favorite out of that. But I started seeing the pictures from the new Shadow Sense collection and also the lip color. The Shadow Sense collection really surprised me, to be frank, because it was like even though if it is one color, being it is holographic and monochrome, when you turn around it looks different in the crease and it looks different in the eyelids. So it was so cool to see something like that. So let me come back to this product first, whatever I want to show. So this is a Melt Away, where is it? Melt Away Deep Cleansing Balm. So this is something you can use in the place of Foops remover or Foops wipes, because this can remove even waterproof makeup too. So I'm going to start using it on my face, and then that way I can talk. So it comes with the spatula and it comes with the lid like this. After I used 1 or 2 times, I realized how much is in this tub. So you are going to use only a little bit at a time. If you need, you can always add more. So you are going to use it in your dry face. You don't even need water. That's what I'm going to do. Did you see how much I have used and how much I've had makeup from morning? And I'm going to start gently rub it on my eyes and all over my face, and give it time to break it, because your eyes will be one place it needs extra time for it to break down. It's a oil based cleanser. It's going to you can see it starts to turn like into a milky consistency, and it's going to be really nice on even sensitive skin, and it is going to cleanse really nice. And the second question I always get asked is, can I skip cleanser? There is always, the answer is no, a big no. Removing makeup is always a separate step, whereas cleansing your face is a separate step. Anytime when you see when you see the beauty book or the steps that I always talk about, removing makeup is always like a separate step compared to cleansing your face. So cleansing has to be done twice a day. This is more like evening, I would say. So this is oil based. So it's for dry skin, it's going to add extra moisture, and for oily skin, it's going to take away all the extra oils, because oil attracts oil. So that way it's going to be really nice on every skin type. And today you have seen how much whatever I wore, and I'm going to just wipe it away. It should take away all the water resistant and waterproof makeup. So I had powder, I had CCTM, I had concealer, I had pearlizer. You have seen pretty much I wore everything. And what else I had? So I'm also rubbing it on lip sense. You can see. And it has roseseed oil, it has shea butter. If you know, I'm going to just open the water because I like my water to be warm a little bit so that I can steam before I wipe it off. And it has shea butter, it has safflower oil, so obviously it has Senaplex complex. So think of how nice it will be having a skincare while you remove your makeup. So that way you are not going to spoil your skin at all. You are still adding some more moisture instead of drying it out. That's where Senegen's makes the huge impact compared to any other brand, because here you have adding your extra glow to your face. I'm just going to steam it a little bit, not a lot. And I'm going to, you can just wash it off, but to show you guys, I'm using a clean, I won't say it's clean, I have something here, but majority of the towel is clean. So I'm going to just press it against my skin just to steam it, and just I'm going to wipe it clean. And you can see how it's removing everything from my eye makeup to my what to say, like my CCTM, my powder, because I perfect, what to say, like I can record it in a video and put, but I wanted it to share how long it takes, because even though I talk, but you guys can see, if you sleep with all these makeup in, you're going to, what is it, like age faster. So always make sure you take time to just remove this and then have a clean face. And this is also going to take away all the pollutants that is on your face. Do you see how clean it looks now? This is going to sleep with what is it, like a skin with all the makeup on it. So that's all it needs. So I wanted to start doing one after the other from the new releases, and can't wait to do all the first impressions. Hi Divya. So you can see it's nice and clean now, but I still have to go back and do my cleanser, and then I can go with all my daytime moisturizer, whatever it is. If it is nighttime, do your nighttime skincare routine. But do you see how clean and soft and supple the skin is? That's what you need. So if anyone is been looking to use the CCTM sale, please do grab this. You will really love. And you can see the consistency. This is what I've been using for 3 days. I started a lot, like any of you, because until you realize how small you need, we always use the product a lot. So that's the reason I do it in live, because I want you guys to see how tiny you need. So if you see the spatula itself, you can see there is amount. So that's all you may need. Let me show it here. So do you see? Yeah. So that's the amount you are going to take, and don't take it a lot and waste the product, because you don't need it, because with a little bit of amount itself you can achieve this. And now the skin feels so soft and clean. I can go back and do my daily routine and enjoy with family. And thank you so much once again for all the appreciation in the reels. My son was so happy because I have to convince him to be part of it. So it needed a hefty what is it, like a thing to compensate it, but it's totally worth it. If you don't follow me in Instagram, and if you don't subscribe to my channel in YouTube, please do. In Instagram, it's already started getting more than 3,000 views. So I'm so happy today because doing this 30-day reels, it's now along with the saree challenge is what's the, like, it's a time consuming thing. I'll definitely say it. It's not an easy thing to do, because reels doesn't come in one what's the, like, one take. So we are not actors, or we are not professionals, so it's like it goes so much planning and so much things. You need to find which one you are going to do and which one works, all those stuff. But this is one reel I've saved for so long because I've been convincing them, and as they see me do every single day, finally they gave up and they said, yes, we will do with you. So it made my day, and you all always been there to support me, so thank you so much. And don't miss today's sale. So CCTM is usually $45 and it's on sale for $38, and you can combine it with free shipping on $100. You can also combine it with $150 of the free retired product, which can be a lip color, a lip gloss, or a shadow sense color. And you also get a free free sample of your choice, and you also get free what do they call, I think they call it beauty tool. So it can be an eyelash color, it can be a beauty sponge, beauty blender, it can be a lip sense holder. That is for any $100 orders, and if you are a Kiss and Tell member, on top of it you will get your 10% off too. So if you need any color matching, or if you need any product detail, please do ping me. I'll be happy to assist, and it ends tonight California time midnight. So that's all it is. Have a wonderful day, guys.